Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the on-off switch in the Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new on-off switch. The on-off switch is located on the control panel and is used for turning power on and off for the dishwasher. If the on-off switch stops working properly, and as a result you can't turn the dishwasher on or off, the switch should be replaced. Open the door. Using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out 3 screws on each side of the door that holds the outer panel. Slide down and out the panel to remove it. If one or both spaces jumps at you, just put them back. Next, using the Torx 20 screwdriver, take out the 6 screws at the top of the door that holds the control panel and then pull it off. Don't mix the screws. The ones from the top are longer than the outer door panel screws. Using the flat blade screwdriver, press the locking tab and remove the switch wire connector. Remove the switch support. Using the flat blade screwdriver, leave the tab on the side of the switch and slide it to the left. Don't get too excited and break the tab off. This is the old on-off switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new on-off switch so the cutouts on the sides are fitting over the tabs and slide the switch to the right until it locks in. Install the switch support. Plug in the wire connector. Place the control panel onto the door and secure it with the 6 longer Torx 20 screws. Install the outer panel and secure it with the 3 Torx 20 screws on each side. And close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.